Hey everyone, so today I'm just gonna teach you guys what is techno analysis. So you might heard of techno analysis and everything, but you're like, what is techno analysis and what should I use techno analysis to help me in my trading? So what is techno analysis? Techno analysis is a study of a historical price data to a forecast future price movement, and it also involves in using chart and indicators and patterns. So remember that my last video when I explained how I turned 1k to 11,000 and I was talking about patterns, a chart and indicators, the indicators that I was showing you guys in the patterns and the chart. That is techno analysis. So that is example of techno analysis. If you haven't watched that video yet, the video is probably gonna be right here or right here. I don't really know where the video is gonna be at, so anywhere on that spot. If you see the video pop it up, just click on it. Okay. All right. So but techno analysis is that kind of example I just explained, and also it's a briefly of a market trends and a price action. All right, so it's like a underlying fundamentals and like interest rate, political event, and how the market is moving, and and everything. And also how good is techno analysis is. Techno analysis is actually pretty good. It's not really 100% guarantee of accurate of helping you on your trade, but it's just helping you understand what you're doing. All right, it just helps you understand what you're doing and everything. Also, trends is like a foundation of most trading strategies. Like you, every single time when you get on, even get on trade, you're gonna see every different kind of trends. Like you're gonna be a uptrend, a downtrend, a straight line trend, or a single trend, or a swamply trend. Any kind of trend is gonna show on the market, trust me. But sometimes 100% is gonna show bullish or bearish trend. So I noticed it showed the straight trend. Maybe that last video that I talk about how I turned 1k into 11,000. Yeah, when I was saying about the straight line trend and everything. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, that's number one. How techno analysis is gonna help you in your trade. Number two is understanding the market segment. So, example, by studying patterns, indicators, and you can gain insight of a market, of a sentiment, if a currency pair is gonna show overbought or oversold. So, like example, you can predict possible price reversal or cancellation. So it's like it helps you understand when a market is gonna be reverse or continue. You get it now? So it really that's a step two of techno analysis gonna help you out. All right. Number one, identify trend. Write this down. Number one, identify market trend, and number two, make you understand the market segment. So number three, help you find the entry and the exit. So when the book when I show you about where reversal patterns and continuation patterns that I show you on the last video, if you remember that, the inverse head and shoulders, it show when to enter, it showed the stop loss, and it showed the target. That's the exit. So it really helps you. But sometimes I don't really follow that way. I follow by 20 pips of cash or 10 pips, depending on how I see how the market is moving. If you're really professional like me, you don't really need to like look at the book and able to know, this is how this put and stuff like that. But me, I'm professional at it, so I know when the market is gonna be like a good move or a bad move. So I usually know how to be careful. So like I said, if you're still a beginner and you learn Forex for like 1 year and still learning, still use techno analysis and you also use the books and everything. You need to able to use the books and everything. All right, and also it helps you. Number four, it helps you minimize risk. Yeah, risk manager is actually a crucial in Forex trading, and it's a techno analysis can help you manage risk by identifying a point of support and resistance, where price may reverse or set stop loss levels by using a technical tools to find areas where price is likely to change direction, and you can reduce your exposure to a large losses. So this is like it help you manage your risk. It help you not able to lose your money, lose a lot of money. You can lose money if you lose trade, but it don't gonna like make you lose a lot, almost all your money. It's gonna make you lose a little bit of your money. All right. And the last one is help you improve your trade consistency. It helps you, like it literally helps you a lot by using a proven method of technical analysis like trend lines, moving average, and chart patterns. You can literally create a systematic approach to trading. This reduces emotional decision. Like if you get on the trade and you're like, is this market's gonna go high, and then you're gonna be like, I don't know, it's this and that, and then you're gonna have like your heart is gonna be pumping hard and fast, and you're not gonna know, what gonna do, like when I'm gonna enter it. Nah, it's not gonna help. It's not gonna like make you have that emotional decision. It's gonna increase the consistency of your trade. All right. Next question: what is the best technical analysis can help you succeed forex trading? Actually, there isn't no one best signal, because every time technical analysis is up to you. It's depending on what technical analysis you're learning. All right. There's no technical analysis. I think so. There's only one. I don't know, but yeah, I believe there's no signal technical analysis. I believe. But if you want to be popular of knowing what tools and everything for you to be able to use to help you for technical analysis, the first tools is trend lines and trend analysis. Trend lines are more simple but most powerful tools in technical analysis. They help you determine the direction of the market, and by drawing the lines and that connect the keys in highs and lows, and you can literally visualize whether the market is an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. All right. And then the trend analysis is also can help you ride the waves of the market momentum. And if the market is a trending up, you would want to be looking for a buy signal. All right. And if the market is trending down, you will be looking for a sell signal. All right, that's a trend line and a trend analysis for a tool for technical analysis. So the second one is moving average, which is MA. So you remember that tools that I showed you on my last videos that I was saying that I use for my chart to help me to know the average of the movement of the market? That's what I use. So there's a different kind of moving average. There's a moving average which is MAS, average, SMA, or any kind of way. But a moving average can literally help you smooth out the price data and identifying the trend over time. All right, over time. And the simple moving average, which is SMA, and exponential moving average is EMA. The exponential moving average is probably trading sides chart view, I think so. And then are two most commonly used, and golden cross and death cross are signals traders watch, where short-term MA crosses above the long-term MA golden cross, and it's a buy signal. And when it crosses below death cross, it's a sell signal. So technically, before you make 100% move of buying or selling, you need to be able to get a two signal, all right, a two confirmation. One, you have to pass the moving average line. If it's a buy, you gotta pass the moving average line. You gotta go up and be away from the moving average. And two, you need to have two big long candles for you to be able to know that it's gonna be a good confirmation for you to buy. All right. And if it's a sell, it's the same thing but opposite. Two sell candles away from the moving average. Okay. And number three is the support and resistance level. Support resistance level is the previous high, and the resistance level is the previous low. Alright, so you just need to go on your, if you go on the chart and you see the present one, try to move it to the side to the backwards and try to see where it started. Do not move all the way back. Move it to the way where it started. Move, like, if it's from right here, move it to like probably here. All right, so you can able to find support and resistance. And also, support is a level which currency period trend to find a buying interest and preventing a failing further. And resistance is a price level at which a currency pair trend to face a selling pressure or preventing it from arising further. All right, so a relative strength index, a MACD, which is a moving average divergence, and the MCAD is a popular momentum indicator that help traders spot changes in strength and direction and momentum and direction of trend. All right, and candles partners like doji, hammer, and different kind of stuff. All right, and chart partners like head, shoulders, double top, bottom, falling wedges, bullish rectangle, bullish permanent, or rising edge, or bearish rectangle, bearish permanent. And yeah, and some more, much more. And there's like a ascending triangle, a symmetrical triangle. So there's different kind of ways. And then there's a volume analysis to tell you how the market volume is moving. Yeah, so there's not really anything else. All you just need to do is just need to understand the technical analysis. You need to understand this. You need to be able to understand the trend line, moving average, reversal. All right, trend line, moving average, reversal, RSI, candlesticks partners, support and resistance level, MACD crossover, stop loss, take profits, and volume level. All right, and mastering technical analysis requires practice, discipline, and solid understanding of how each tool works in different market conditions. All right, this kit is literally a successful of forex trading, and it's all combined tools which effectively and using them to make informed and data-driven decision. When you want to start forex, do not think about you making money in just a quick on rush. You need to understand this stuff. You need to understand this stuff every single time. You need to understand it every single time. That's how I did mine. But anyways, guys, there's not anything much for me to say. That's how to use technical analysis to help you in forex. If you want to get my signal, my forex signal, my Discord server is gonna be in the link in the description. Make sure that you're gonna join it up. It's gonna be free for some time. And then teaching, it's not free. Teaching is paying, but signals is gonna be free for now. So yeah, or you can hit me up on my Instagram, which is VCinvestfx, or my Twitter, VCinvestfx. All right. If you understand this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs like and subscribe, and also comment. Hopefully y'all have a good day. Don't forget, use my solid ECN broker. Is actually 100% trustable broker. Have 223 reviews on Trustpilot, and the review is 100% human. It's not robot, it's not anything. It's 100% human, and I check it on my own self. All right, and this broker is actually a good, trustworthy broker. That's all, guys. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.